In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink American Express in GCash. By the end, you'll know the two ways to remove your American Express virtual pay card, what to do if the unlink button isn't there, and how to avoid payment hiccups as this feature winds down. First, open GCash. Make sure your app is updated so the menus match what you see here. From the home screen, go to your profile, then find linked accounts. Look for American Express Virtual Pay. If you see the option to unlink or remove, tap it and confirm. That's it. Your virtual card will be detached from your GCash account. If you don't immediately see the change, give the app a quick restart and check linked accounts again. Now, some users won't see an unlink button. If that's you, don't worry. This is expected for certain accounts. In that case, contact GCash support through the in-app help center or the GG chat. Tell them you'd like to have your American Express virtual pay card manually removed from your account. They may ask a few verification questions to confirm it's really you. Once they process the request, the card should no longer appear under linked accounts. Here's an important update. The American Express virtual pay feature is being discontinued and will stop working after March 31st, 2026. Even if you don't unlink it, the card won't function for payments beyond that date. Still, it's a good idea to cleanly remove it now to keep your account tidy and avoid confusion. Before you move on, take a moment to prevent failed charges. If you've saved that virtual card for subscriptions or online services like streaming platforms, delivery apps, or shopping sites, sign into those services and remove the card from your payment methods. Replace it with another option you trust. You can switch to the GCash Visa card if you have one, or use direct GCash payments where merchants support it. This helps you avoid declines, service interruptions, or repeated billing errors after the discontinuation. A few quick tips to make the process smoother. Use a stable internet connection while updating payment methods. Never share one-time passwords or PINs with anyone, including support. And consider taking a quick screenshot or note once the card disappears from linked accounts, just for your records. And that's the process. Open GCash. Unlink the American Express virtual pay card from linked accounts if the button is there, or reach out through the help center or GG chat to have it removed. Then update your saved payments so everything keeps running smoothly well past March 31, 2026.